Where is this fucking freezer? It's around here. Where you keep it frozen.
Right down here, Gordon.
Let's have a look. So this is the frozen bit here. What's that? Frozen avocado. Are we not in Florida? And you can't make fresh avocado?
Dude, this is fucked.
Where's the freezer?
Excuse me. Main walk-in.
Wow, wow, wow. When was the last time you were in here?
I come in here once a week at least, and I
Once a
kind of, you know, just kind of look around or whatever.
What is this? Wow. Oh, man. Look at that. The water's gone slimy. And you come in here once a week?
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, boy. Fucking hell. What is that?
Pina colada.
Pina colada.
Why it's like that, I have no idea.
It's festered, it's off, it's bubbling. Oh, man.
That's terrible.
Fuck.
Trash, please. Trash. James, trash, please, now.
Pina colada.
Right down the drain.
By the bucket load in the walk-in fridge. I mean, who in the hell operates like this?
Gordon, this is Chef Ben's job. He's the executive chef.
The executive chef. And you made him that executive chef, right?
Sure I did.
How'd you feel now? What's that?
Tuna burger.
That's from the burger?
Yes, it is.
Oh, my God. Seriously?
Bacon.
It's gone. It's off. Fresh produce on top of old produce. Mouldy. And this one?
Ribeye.
Ribeye defrosting. Yeah. What is this?
Those are the smoked grilled chicken wings before they go onto the char grill.
Oh, my God. And what is in this one? You are kidding me. So underneath in that bucket's what?
Cooked product.
Cooked chicken. And on top of it is what?
It's raw.
Raw chicken on top of cooked chicken. I had them for lunch. I am at a fucking loss. Do you know the best way out of this? Is just to shut the place down.
It's not an option for me.
What's that in there, Ben?
Those are marinated chicken wings
Yeah.
to be smoked.
Underneath, next box.
Those are smoked.
Rule number fucking one. Ben.
I know, Chef, I didn't do it. You know, I turned my back for a minute, and this is the kind of shit that happens.
And I walked in, and it was bedlam. He's telling me this is your fault. You've got no idea. I am at an absolute fucking loss. I can't work like this. This is huge. You now are running a restaurant cross-contaminated. You're gonna get fucking arrested.
I won't get arrested, put in jail for killing some damn body. Gordon, this is the worst restaurant I ever worked in my life.
Practices are the problem.
Right.
The way that everyone's walking around in denial.
They are, but I'm
There's
not.
but there's no standards, though. You're not maintaining a level that they deserve.
Yeah, I know that. I know that, Chef.
So why have you become like a zombie and following her motions?
I'm not. I'm trying to fix it.
Have you given up?
No, I have not given up. I have not given up.
You're just as bad as she is if you don't put your foot down and say no.
I tell her no, 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 and she keeps on doing it.
Someone needs to draw a line.
I have drawn a line. It doesn't matter. I can only do so much, Gordon. This is not my place.
My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
What a joke. Have you seen any of this stuff going on here? Do you have any idea what's going on? What's this?
Pre-cooked bacon.
Pre-cooked from when?
It's dated. They do
But-
it every day, just about. Right?
No, they don't. When was that cooked? That's not today.
If they did, honestly, let's see what it says, 10/31.
We're in November the 6th now. This is insane. Look at that in there. Don't you drain that, or it just sits there in its blood? And in here?
That's a freezer.
Bloody hell. What is that? What's that noise?
That's the fan.
What a nightmare. And Karen, you've got no idea that this is going on like this? What is that in there?
That's,
Dishwater.
no, that's French fries in there.
Fries. Why is the water so dirty?
Nobody didn't change it.
Sorry?
Nobody didn't change it, sir.
But you're cooking fries from there tonight in that water. I saw them fill up the fryer twice.
It sucks.
Where'd you get the ham from?
She bought it at the store.
Holy crap.
It's a spiral cut. They cut it and put it in here, and then use it for side of ham for breakfast.
When was the last time this was clean?
Last year when I cleaned this, Chef.
Last year when we cleaned the oven. We're in November. Last year.
Yes, sir. I asked Karen, I said, Karen, we need to shut down, so we gotta do maintenance.
Look at the mess. Why have you let it go like this?
I didn't know that they were doing things that were not
Karen,
that proper.
you...
No, but listen to me, Jeff.
This stuff bullshitting the guy, okay? Let's tell him the truth here, okay? I asked for some new equipment. I can't get no new equipment. Why not? I've been here for 4 years. I've been asking for new equipment. I can't work with this shit here. Look at that. I'm fucking pissed. I've been asking for this. I asked for new equipment. How long do you think this shit's gonna last? It ain't gonna last forever. I'm just so fucking fed up with every damn thing. I can't get no help. Me and Jill pulled you out of this. And now I asked for some help, for some equipment that you can't spend on it,
But this is working, and that's working.
Look at this shit. Look at this. Oh. Tired of the damn line.
The owner's ignorance is evident in everything I've seen so far. I'm curious to see what it's like in the parts I haven't seen, like the walk-in fridge.
Fuck that is. Oof. Raw pork, cooked chicken, sat next to each other. Fucking disgusting. I wish I'd seen this before I had my lunch. Fine dining, it's not. Look at that, fucking, look at the mold growing on there. Oh, you dirty fuckers. Bloody hell, there's mold all up the sides too. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at the fucking mold on that. This is absolutely disgusting. Bollocks. Wow, fucking hell. So the walk-in, how often is that fridge cleaned out?
Twice a week.
Twice a week?
Yes.
Mopped, everything out?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Come with me, all of you.
All right.
Especially the owners.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Really? Fucking hell.
Oh, those are gnarly. Oh, wow. Man.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Fucking moldy tortillas. There should not be fucking any moldy fucking food. It's fucking horrible.
And when was this made?
Last Saturday. No, I need
days
to
ago.
Just smell that.
need to toss it. I know that.
And this, terrible. You should be fucking ashamed.
Okay.
Okay, no, it's not okay. What is that?
This will be black mold.
What's it supposed to be?
Thai chili marinade.
Thai chili marinade.
But I don't know if it's been used in a while.
The sauces was from a chef that had been there like in 2006 or 7 or something.
This is exactly the same way as you run this fucking hotel. You don't give a shit.
I give a shit. I give a shit.
If this is your dream of running a hotel, then how about manning up and look like fucking owners?
We are. This is fucking unacceptable, and it's not going to happen anymore.
Have you checked out? Because you should do the honourable thing. Say to these two, fuck it, I'm
He has
out.
not checked out. He's
Can you let him talk?
I have not checked out, and obviously I need to pay more attention and do better at my job.
How many of you can run a fucking business? Do you ever see 3 CEOs, 3 fucking general managers, 3 fucking executive chefs? Huh? It's like dumber and dumbest.